Don't be a Grinch. Come to our ribbon cutting event with the Greater Keller Chamber of Commerce on December 5th. I am just so excited. I can't believe it's finally here. We're hosting the Greater Keller Chamber of Commerce ribbon cutting at our Southlake studio. I can't wait for everyone to experience Real News Southlake and learn all about video podcasting and what that can do for your business. We'll eat, drink, be merry, and spend so much time together. I really can't wait. It's going to be so much fun. Again, here we are in Real News Dallas, and you'll get to experience Real News Southlake. So as a PR firm, we get our clients print, radio, and television appearances. We work with all kinds of businesses, including the Grinch. He is one of our most famous clients. Grinch, you know you can't be late for your PR appearances. You're just a little late. Where have you been? So we realized a couple years ago it was time for a rebrand. The Grinch has always been known for stealing Christmas, and we realized, we really need to be making sure that the Grinch is giving Christmas. Such a distinguished, dapper fellow. And of course, Grinch will be making an appearance at the Real News ribbon cutting in Southlake, and you're going to learn all about how the Grinch is famous, and he's going to interview you. We want to make sure that you get to have your opportunity to be on the mic and have a lot of fun. There will be prizes. Grinch will be giving gifts, of course, part of his PR media campaign. And we can't wait to see you on December 5th. Don't be a Grinch, but come meet ours.